this video, we'll show you the management accounts reports which are available in our unique interface. We've opened the default setting page and we'll start reviewing the reports now by clicking the Analytics link. As you can see, the Analytics reporting defaults to the financial dashboard, which includes charts and financial calculations. Income statement dashboard measurements include monthly sales and profit or loss, overall gross profit and net profit percentages, an income statement summary comparing the current year and prior year, interest cover and return on equity percentage, the top 5 expenses and a total expenses chart. Cash flow statement measurements include a monthly cash balance chart and a comparison between current and prior year for the main cash flow statement calculation categories. Balance sheet financial dashboard measurements include a comparison between current and prior year balances for all main balance sheet sections, including non-current and current assets and liabilities, as well as total equity, calculations of the current ratio, debt/equity ratio, and the return on net assets, or RONA as it is commonly referred to. You can also customize some of the settings like the chart colors for the selected profile from the settings page. Next, we'll show you the statement of comprehensive income or income statement. As you can see, the class codes relating to each individual item are reflected in the first column, and there are monthly and year-to-date section which compare the current and prior financial periods, displaying a value and percentage difference for the included line items. Each class can be set up to be included in total like the turnover and cost of sales classes in this example, or individually like the operating expenses shown here. This is part of the reporting class setup which can be accessed from the data link. The reporting class codes can be hidden by changing the profile settings from the settings link included at the top of the page, and there is also a setting which can be used to hide zero-value line items. Now let's show you what the cash flow statement looks like. The statement of cash flows report has a layout similar to the income statement, with monthly and year-to-date sections comparing current and prior financial periods. Reporting codes are again included in the first column if they are not hidden, and the cash flow statement section where a class feeds into is determined via the reporting class setup, which can be accessed from the data link at the top of the page. The report calculates the cash flows from operating activities, the cash flows from investing activities, and the cash flows from financing activities before a net cash flow movement is calculated and added to the beginning balance to get to the cash equivalents at the end of the period. The next report is the statement of financial position or balance sheet as it is commonly referred to. As you can see, the layout is again the same with monthly and year-to-date sections. The report starts off with non-current assets, then current assets, followed by equity, non-current liabilities, and ending with current liabilities. This default sequence can however be amended for you if your accounting standards require a different sequence. The reporting class codes are again displayed in the first column, which makes it easy to determine which class refers to which balance sheet item. At the top of each of these management reports are links to download the reports in a PDF or Microsoft Excel format, so you just click the appropriate link to download your management accounts in each of these formats as standalone files. You can also quite easily switch between financial periods by just selecting the appropriate reporting month or financial year from the drop-down list at the top of the sheet. When you change the period selection, you'll see that the management report defaults back to the financial dashboard, and you can just use the links above the reports to navigate between the income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. We also created a recon page where you can run through some standard control totals indicating whether your management accounts data contain any discrepancies. A brief explanation of the purpose of each of the control total calculations is also included below it. The next link is the data link. That's where you will import your accounts and link them to our default reporting classes, which determine where each account feeds into your management account reports. You will also upload your trial balance amounts from here and update your management accounts after each upload. You can also add new reporting classes, and you can link them to our predefined income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet sections. You can also change descriptions of classes which you do not need, which is especially useful to change the default expense classes to fit into your business requirements. The last link is to the settings page where you can add users or profiles, but this is covered in a separate video. That's basically it. As you can see, our management accounts interface is unique and comprehensive and should fit into most business environments. If the reports covered in this video is not exactly what you are after, follow the link in the comments section to go to our website and contact us to let us know what your exact requirements are. We may be able to create a custom management report just for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be the first to know when we release new content.